All right, today we're going to go over the volume of triangular prisms. The reason it is a triangle prism is because there are two bases that are triangles. Even though it is sitting on a rectangle, the base is a triangle and the back base is a triangle, so that makes it a triangular prism. So if you look at your formula chart, we're going to use the formula V equals big BH. All right, I gave you a guide last week. You're going to still use this guide this week. Just a different formula is going to be inserted. The second V is going to be, what is the shape of the base? It is a triangle. Okay, then because of the big B, we go into the area of the formula chart, and the area of a triangle is 1/2 BH. And then the height of the prism connects the bases. Okay, now we're going to put in our numbers. 1/2 is going to stay the same. The base of that triangle is 10. The height of this triangle is 15. You might want to think it is 7, but 7 is what connects the two bases. The 15 is with the height of the triangle. Okay, now, or you might think it's 12. 12 is a distractor number, that is the slant height. A lot of times it's going to be there, but it's going to be there to throw you off. So this is the base of the triangle. This number is the height of the triangle. And then this H right here is the height of the prism. 7 is what connects the triangle in the front and the triangle in the back. All right, then we're going to put that in our calculator. And the answer is 525 inches cubed. And that's how you find the volume of a triangular prism. Okay, we're going to put a triangle there and then use the triangular formula 1/2 base times height times the H. Okay, and we'll fill everything in. Alright, let's look at the back. Alright, we have another triangle. It looks like maybe a tent. Okay, but this time we're looking for the base of that triangle. So we're going to do the same thing. V equals big BH. Then it is a triangle. I'm going to put the formula in there. And now I'm going to put in my numbers. And actually my number here is going to be 656 because I already have the total. So I don't need it. I'm going to go ahead and stick it in right there. 1/2. My base, I don't know what my base is. The height of the triangle is 10. And the height that connects the bases is 12. 8 is a slant height and is there to distract you. So now I'm going to multiply that. Okay, so this ends up, so 10 times 12 divided by 2 is 60B. Bring the 656 down. And to get B by itself, I want to divide that 60 and do the same thing on the other side. And it ends up being 10.9 units, and that is the base length of the height of a triangle. Okay, now you will try it on your assignment.